Hello, welcome to yet another Jungopharm tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to use the point of sale to process transactions once you receive orders from a pharmacy. With a point of sale, it's easy to track inventory and manage sales on your Jungopharm account. To get started, log into your Jungopharm account and click on the point of sale button right under the orders button. It will open up and show products that you currently have in stock. To make the sale, you can directly search for the item using the search bar at the top, or you can scroll down and add products to the cart. The cart will show at the right side of the screen, and you can edit items by clicking these symbols. To delete a product, use this little bin next to the product name. Order totals will show down below, and once you're done adding all the products to your cart, click the Continue to Payment button. Here you'll choose a payment method, whether cash, M-Pesa, or credit. So go ahead and select the payment method and click Confirm. The system automatically generates a receipt for you that shows the order ID, item, quantity, price, and total. It also shows the date and the time the order was placed. You can either print or download the receipt by clicking either of these buttons. Next, we'll show you how to view all your orders, and for this you'll click the POS orders button. Here you'll see all your sales, each labeled by date, total, status, and payment method. If you want to see an individual order, click on the little eyeball and it will show the entire receipt, which again you can print or download. You can export the entire order list by simply clicking the export button at the top here. And that will be it. As you've seen, it's so easy to use the point of sale. So next time you receive an order, you'll be able to process it in a matter of minutes. And we've come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.